YouTube. You can kind of see, but we got the trailer, and we are heading to Nashville for Clean Culture / Slammedenuff's drift event / car show. A bunch of stuff's gonna be going on there. They're having a two-step competition, a couple other things. Should be a good time. I haven't drifted at Nashville Super Speedway since probably, I don't know, 2017, 2018, something like that. They're gonna have two course layouts. Like one's gonna be like in the parking lot, kind of, which I've never drifted on that before. And then they're also gonna have the big sweeper set up, so you can actually have, you know, two choices. Gotta try and get a clip of these guys. Mercedes Supra with what they call a Hitachi on the side of it. Kind of cool. Then we got some Memphis boys in front of us. Could be wrong. Might be Reese in the Corvette. Maybe not. Nah, that's him. That man changed his color. It's all blue now. Dude, that thing looks slick. Nice. That looks really good. Reese, that's a fire color. Like, that's very, very nice looking color, dude. Got another 25 minutes or so, 23 minutes to the hotel. Might call, see who's at the track and see if I can drop the trailer off. I think the parking lot's kind of small at the hotel we're staying at, so that'd be kind of nice, but see y'all here. Alright, we're at the track. Fingers crossed I can park my trailer here. The hotel we booked is downtown, and there is pretty much zero parking for trailers. If they can't let me park here, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So we'll see what happens. But man, it's been some years since I've been here. I don't even know how long, but I'm happy to be up here again. Saturday morning, heading back to Nashville Super Speedway. I got really lucky. The security guard was actually about to lock the gate, and he's like, yeah, just go park back in this little grassy gravel parking lot area. So that was nice. Yeah, the hotel we ended up staying at last night, probably, we'll say it had 80 rooms, and it might have had 45 parking spots. It was tiny, but I'm grateful that I had a place to stay tonight, or last night. That way I didn't have to leave Memphis at 5:30 or so in the morning. Yay, trailer's still here. Yeah, if you're from Memphis, you understand, man. Things get stolen all the time, and it's really annoying. So, got lucky that they let me park in here. Yeah, let's hook this thing up and pull into the track and figure out where we're going. Well, I think I went the wrong way, but at least I'm taking the scenic route. Such a cool place. Wow. Been a long time. Realized every single one of these cars in front of me is from Australia. That's pretty cool. Kind of hard to see, but yeah. There's a Ute, another Ute, some wagon joints. That's badass. Alright, we finally made it. I'm trying to think of the last time I was here. I want to say 2018, something like that. It's been a long time. Like, probably last time I was here, my SR was stock. So that's like 20, actually shit, it's older than that. Maybe 2015, 16, something like that. But I'm happy to be back here again. It's been a long time, and it's a really fun track. I'm curious how this parking lot layout is going to go, but we'll see. But, yep. I did not bring my GoPro mounts for these. Yeah, so I can't do any funny in-car footage. Hi. So I can't do any, funny, like I usually have my helmet right here and like commentate while I'm driving, but oh well, I'll have to do that next time.
me. Girl, it just don't last when Keith Whitley keeps bringing you up like that. Gets me drinking about us and what it was. Things I love got away, didn't go too soon. Kinda like good whiskey, Keith Whitley.
Heading back home from the track. Really good day. The Z did fantastic as always. Got some good tandem with some friends I've been trying to tandem with for a long time. You know, either one of us has, you know, car troubles or something silly. It was good to be back in Nashville. I think it has been since 2015 since I was here last, for at least drifting. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. You know, there's like 90% of the people watching this videos, at least last time I looked, aren't subscribed. Hit that subscribe button. It really helps. I got some ideas I'm gonna work on. I'm gonna work on maybe doing some apparel. I have sunglasses right now. I just haven't really, you know, pushed to sell them or anything like that. But I'd like to work on that and try and, you know, I don't know, advertise a little bit better. But once again, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And we'll see you on the next one. Peace.